Hello, people. What is up? Welcome back. And today we're going to be installing and making a virtual machine with VirtualBox. So, this is how we're going to start it. So, first, you need to download a program called VMware. And the icon will look like this once you get it installed. But you will need to go to a link that I have put in the description. But once you download it, you will need to click on it and install it. So let's just get a new Google Chrome window in here. A new window. Copy and paste that link. And so you want to go here. Now, you're not going to want to buy a commercial license that costs a whole lot of money. This is a commercial program, but you can use it normally. So what you're going to want to hit is download now. So I've already downloaded it and installed it. But you're going to want to download it, then go to your files, and in files, go to downloads and all that stuff, and click it, and, double click it, and install it. But once you have it installed, then you might run into a tutorial. Maybe that'll help you a little bit. But what you're going to want to do here, by the way, you won't start with virtual machines like this. You're going to want to go over here, create a new virtual machine, and you will actually have to have a ISO file, which you can find those in various places. If you want to make a virtual machine of Linux, you're going to have a ISO file for that. I have mine right here. I'm going to be installing Ubuntu onto this. So, I'm going to select that. We're going to use an installer disk image file. And then you're going to hit browse. And you just go to downloads or wherever your ISO is saved. And then double click on that. And now it's selected. And now, click next. Then you'll need to enter your full name. I don't want to enter my full name, so, man, last name. And the man. 1, 2, 3. Password. 99228. 99228. Passwords do not match. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can just put any password you want, but if you want to secure your virtual machine, then put a good password. So this is just to show you how to do it. We're going to be doing it this way. Just, Now, you can make the name whatever you want. Let's make mine the Linux. Linux. Period, I guess. Linux with a period. And, if you're installing a different version of Linux, you might have to go through there and select what kind of Linux version it is. But if you're using Ubuntu, it's probably not going to give you any thing saying that you have to select what kind of Linux it is. But for this, I'm gonna give it 60 gigabytes because I want to install some stuff. So 60 gigabytes, yeah, 60 gigabytes. You're gonna wanna keep it. It doesn't really matter. I don't think it does anyway. But you can put it on that. You can leave it as default, and then you can customize it, which I will do because I don't want my thing to, be a double. I don't want it to just be a dual core. machine. I want it to be a quad core machine. Now this does depend on the amount of cores you have. If you don't have very many cores, do not put too many. So, like, let's say you only have 3 cores, definitely do not put more than 2, because, I don't know, it'll probably just completely crash. Yeah. So here we go. And when your cursor gets stuck, like, currently I'm moving my trackpad around, I'm moving my finger around, like it says here in the, top right corner, the top left, but, hit Control, Alt, and your cursor is free. And then to, put your cursor back in the machine, click on that window. Click on the Linux. So we're just gonna wait for Ubuntu to load up. And I'll catch you when it's back and I'm all set up. So, bye for now. Hello guys, we are back and it is done loading. For you it was like 1 second, and for me it was like 20 minutes. But we are in Linux. We have everything here. And yeah. So, as I said, this is a full Linux version. Like, well, I don't know if I said it was a full Linux version, but it is a full Linux version. I need to download the software program. Install the software. Yeah, install the software program. But you got, this 9 Google. You can go to, YouTube, and it loads. It's a little slow because this is going through an emulation process, which slows it down quite a bit. But if you really need to run Linux, you could run Linux. And that is how to get a virtual machine of Linux going. And basically the same process will be for installing Windows on a virtual machine. But, pretty much the same process. But anyway, that is how to make a Linux virtual machine on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. I hope you guys have a great day, and goodbye.